Okay, so guys, we decided to take a small video for this because we are going to the store to pick up our order, and now our window is all frozen and all the plant is frozen. But look at this, and Mark is excited.
Yep, I get to play.
So the road is really icy. Oh my god, this is my first time riding on this track with a frozen road. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'll take it back. So Mark said in Colorado we had freezing ground.
Yeah, frozen ground.
And then we have
snow on top of it.
Yeah. So anyway, let's see here in Texas. Guys, we're waiting for this because it's still ice. It's really hard ice. You can't even see the road. So guys, this one is starting to clear up. There, it's starting to melt a little bit. So, woo. So guys, there you go. Look at them. They're so slow. It's really good.
Move so I can have fun.
That's the way you drive on the snow. I hope so, baby. Daddy wants to drive this fast. I can't believe you.
What? Maybe I grew up on this stuff. It's not a problem.
I know.
Get these people who don't know how to drive out of the way.
Look at that one. Let's look out there. It's ice. Seems like he's getting closer. Yes, baby. Oh my god, did you feel that? We're slipping.
It's like these two. Those two are running way too close.
So guys, it is going down. And it's gonna be stoplight soon.
And we got a dingbat following real close behind us.
Yeah, look at this guy. Look at that. He is so close. I can't believe he's doing that.
Guys, understand, we're on ice right now. It's not like it's burn off ice. This is ice on the road. It's approximately 3/8 inch thick. Can you drive on it? Yeah. As long as you take your time. I've got a lot of weight in the back of the truck. So, and I've got a heavy truck.
Oh my god, he's so
it makes
close.
it easier on me. But other people, especially in a pickup, not so much. And we got a guy following not 40 foot behind my truck. Now it's just 20 mile an hour, but you know, think about it. What if something happens? God forbid somebody come running out in front of you, whatever, and this guy's right there. He's gonna just plow into the back of my truck. Oh well, that's on him.
Okay, so we're in the stoplight now, and this is going to turn left. There you go, guys. This is little bridge, and they put some sand in it. No, oh, there you go. Mark is running fast. Oh my god! Oh my god! Handsome.
What?
Scary.
It's ice.
Yes, you're scared.
It didn't get me scared.
Because you're doing it on
I
purpose.
knew it was ice.
We're playing, guys. Nobody's beside us or on the front or back. So yeah.
Well, there is one on the back.
Truck has insurance. Mark is driving.
Yeah. He's half a mile back. I'm not worried about it.
Okay. Oh, I thought you were gonna hit it hard.
It would work.
What
What are you talking about?
you said you want to play? Oh. What? There go.
So fun.
Drifting.
Mom, look.
Oh.
See, look.
Uh-oh, you're gonna hate it.
All you're trying to do is to point it in the direction that you're wanting to go.
Uh-huh. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god, handsome!
Wee!
Can I get out?
If you want.
Take a video?
Can I get out?
Guys, Mark wants to play. Let's take a video of him. Oh my god. Siggy's inside. Look at the back. Oh my god. It's snowing again. Oh. Ow. Bye. It's cold.
No. So, there's some snow outside. They said tomorrow, it's gonna be more. Now it's gonna be a song. Please, I pray to Papa God, please, more snow. Song.
Look at this. Oh wow. Oh my god. This is so high. Look at this. Oh, halo-halo. Oh, ang sarap nitong pang halo-halo. Oh. Ooh. Oh, wow. Cold. Oh my god, look at that. It's so high. It's still snowing. Come on, Akira. Guys, we're leaving. Look at this. It's our porch. Having a hard time to get out. Oh. Oh, stop. Hold on.
He's rear wheel drive and he doesn't know how to.
Yeah. This one is moving. Alright, go on. There you go. Okay guys, so this is the last hotel that we're looking for. There's Marco. Nothing? Oh, no available again. Oh my god, it's like 5 hours we've been looking for a hotel. It's so cold. Okay, nag-init na ako ng pangkape. There you go. It's still, oh, it's morning time now. And we made it. I clean here. Uh-oh. What is going on if you don't start? Yeah. Okay, I don't know. So guys, look, so cold. Okay, so this is the worst day that we got with snow because there's no electric still, and it's it's day and a half. We didn't have any electric and water. Now we don't have any water, so I don't know. Look at the snow there, and look at the truck is still running there. They're in the garage, okay, beside our garage. So there is no water, and I'm glad we have electric. We have stove to cook, but yeah, I hope everything would be fine. And we should have electric today. Oh my god, it's been a long time. The house is so cold inside. Yeah, so I didn't have enough sleep because it's always on and off. I'm glad Akira is doing really good because he was just there since we get in the truck last night, and just sitting there, not even making any noise. She don't pee there, she don't poop inside our house also, so she's really trained, and we're happy for that. Yeah. Oh, I need to make this work. At least it's working there. So, and I'm gonna make some noodles after this, so when they wake up they're gonna have a warm tummy because there's no store, like they're closed. All the fast foods are closed. Yeah, so we're gonna go to Walmart later and get some more gas and water. Okay, we have a lot of bottled water also with stocks, and foods, we have a lot of food, so we're not worried about it. All right. Oh, there you go. Ayan na, kumukulo na yung kape ko. Okay, so guys, ito na. I'm making some chicken because it's already marinated, and I added just this one, and it's marinated yesterday, but just the other day, but just paprika and some stuff. But look at this one. Oh my god, finally they're up. Mark just kicked the motor. Yeah, there you go, they'll be here soon. So there you go. I'll show you this one. I'm really glad we have this gas. Oh. Okay, so there you go. This is gonna be it. Oh, so at least we're gonna have really warm food. This is gonna be a noodles. Ziggy will love this. There you go. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's chicken, and this is gonna be for noodles. There we go. Yan lang pagkain namin. Nagluluto ako ng snow. Okay guys, our food is almost done. Look at that. Snow will make us full. Mark is making more. There.
Making water.
We don't have water, so we're gonna use that.
Let's get this right. We have water for drinking.
Yeah, too much.
We have water for cooking.
Yeah.
We don't have water for toilets. Water for toilets.
There you go. Okay, and the noodles is gonna be done soon, and the meat. Okay, there you go. So guys, we are eating warm food. There. Yeah. Okay, that's it.